Hi, my name is Dwayne Newville, Head of Tech for Suprema UK. Right now, I'm in Dubai for Intersec 2022, which I'm going to explain to you our beautiful Suprema stand. First, we have our new flagship device, FaceStation 3. This was last year's flagship device, the FaceStation F2, where you can read face and fingerprint. This was our recently released device, X-Station 2, where it has QR code reading and also fingerprint, along with mobile access. So here at Suprema, we have a new hashtag called Save the Planet, where we try to be eco-friendly. Small changes help save the planet. As you know, Suprema has a lot of integration. Today we have mounted our NEAT integration, where you have their controller, two of our devices, and of course we have our bread and butter, our main software, FireStar 2. As you see, we have our core station, XPass readers, and also the R2. And here you have our new mobile technology, Suprema Mobile Access, where you have a portal, airflow portal, along with two devices, XPass 2, along with our X-Station 2.
FaceStation F2, facial recognition, mask detection, fingerprint card, and mobile card. Let me show you how we can enroll a user for a speed gate and how it is fast matching for walkthrough. Please. I'll add a user. I can take a photo. Then I can enroll my face. And it's ready to go.
I'm going to explain the Suprema Mobile Access. Basically tap and go. As you can see, you can use your mobile phone as an access key to get into doors, facilities, and more. Come with me, I'm going to explain how to actually use our software, where you register a user, register a device, and how quick it is to download the app and then use it for access. So we're going to use our colleague here, Jin, to show you. So first, I'm going to click Add User. I will enter her name, her email address. So I have her email registered, her name, her card ID, and I hit send, so she's now getting an email. Now that her app is now fully downloaded on her phone, now she can go to the XPass 2 and test her phone. Right, and then also on the X-Station 2. And there you have it. That's a tour of our entire booth at Intersec 2022. Definitely see you next year, where we have new devices and new features to introduce to you guys. Take care.